beautiful people out in YouTube land. I am here today with Andrew and Sara, and we're going to do a snow camping adventure. And as you can hear, we have some very loud snowmobilers, so I'm going to shut this down. All right, we are getting ready to head down there somewhere for our snow camping adventure now that we don't have snowmobilers coming up our grill. So we're heading down the hill and kind of off to the side and out to a point. So we should have some lovely weather here today. There's barely a breeze. Let's hope I don't regret that after the last time I was here snow camping. But it should be nice. Just getting down that hill. Should be fun. So sadly, this just happened. My pole just sheared off at the mount point here. As you can see, totally broke. So that kind of sucks. Now I think I know why they use fiberglass poles that I don't have. So now I've got to MacGyver something that's going to allow me to hook up to that point. Of course, I could probably get rid of some of the snow I'm schlepping along. But what a total bummer. That's going to make walking in this powder a pain in the ass. You got this, Andrew. It's almost funny in a sickening sort of way. Say hello. Hi. This is hard. My stupid pole broke. I can see the top. I do believe we have found camp for the night. Perfect.
Okay, so we dug down about 5-ish feet, all the way down to where we got the ice. It's either the ground under there or it's just compacted snow. Either way, we're going to try to have a fire pit here with some dug-in stadium seats here and a very, very steep ramp on the way out that has already taken down 1.5 people.
Yeah, not ADA compliant.
No, too steep. But we'll see how it goes after it gets where the sun goes down and it starts to freeze. Maybe we'll have a little more traction.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
And I think I'm going to put my chair right where your feet are.
Yep.
We'll see.
Good plan.
All right, and this will be our stunning view. Bet you wish you were here. Yeah, all my friends that I invited that like bagged on me because they thought it was going to be stormy. Haha, it's perfect freaking weather out here. Look at this. barely a hint of breeze. Snow-covered trees. I think it's gonna get cold tonight though. But we're gonna have a fire, sure enough. Nice campsite. And there's our fire pit. Just a little deep. Our massive snow berm. What a beautiful sight. Can't beat that view. So last year when we were here, we had a bonfire right about where these tracks are, and we were kind of all sitting right around where this tree has fallen down. Pretty interesting. It looks like a fairly fresh fall, so, you know, those 100-mile or 200-mile-an-hour winds did knock it down then. I wonder what it took to knock it down this time. Another view of the roots. You can see that they just broke right off. Must have been one hell of a wind. Damn. And you can hear the snowmobilers heading back in. Looked like search and rescue was out earlier with the helicopter. The snow was pretty deep. We heard a couple of snowmobilers complaining about getting stuck. I wonder if somebody got stuck last night. A helicopter was searching down in that canyon there. Hope they found them. It would suck to be out here all night with no gear. It was cold.